Good morning, viewers. It's Thursday morning, January 30, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money's Business News, where we provide you the latest and updated 5-minute stock market wrap. Before we roll on, please do subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you. And now, let's roll. Stocks edged lower after the Federal Reserve, as widely expected, paused its recent stretch of interest rate cuts and signaled it was in more of a wait and see mode for subsequent moves. The Federal Open Market Committee kept the federal funds rate in the range of 4.25 to 4.5%. US equity indexes dipped and the dollar was firm on Wednesday after the Federal Reserve held interest rates steady and Fed Chair Jerome Powell gave little insight into whether further reductions in borrowing costs may take place. On Wall Street, the Dow Jones Industrial Average finished down 0.3%, while the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite both lost about 0.5% each. After the closing bell, investors passed results from Meta platforms, Microsoft, Tesla, and others. Investor scrutiny is likely to be even sharper than usual, given the questions swirling about artificial intelligence prompted by the rise of China's DeepSeek. Microsoft beat quarterly revenue estimates, while Tesla's fourth quarter profit margin missed expectations. Meta forecasts first quarter revenue below Wall Street estimates. Earnings boosted shares in T-Mobile US, F5, and Starbucks, while Danaher stock fell and Nvidia's slide continued. President Trump's social media company Trump Media surged on plans to move into financial services. Government bond yields climbed after Fed officials indicated comfort with their interest rate stance for an economy where inflation remains somewhat above their goal and where labor market conditions have been solid. Traders remain concerned of this inverse correlation, that is, when bond yields go up, stock prices go down, and that if inflation persists above the Fed's 2% target, the Treasury bond yields will keep rising without a cut in interest rates. Benchmark 10-year Treasury yields moved higher to 4.554% after settling on Tuesday at 4.548%. The US dollar was firmer against major currencies on Wednesday. It strengthened 0.35% to 0.907 against the Swiss franc, but weakened 0.17% to 155.25 against the Japanese yen. Oil prices on Wednesday, with the US benchmark settling at a year to date low after domestic crude stockpiles in the world's top petroleum producer and consumer rose more than expected last week. Brent crude futures settled down 91 cents or 1.2% at $76.58 a barrel. US crude futures fell $1.5 or 1.6% to $72.62 a barrel. The day's crypto action came from Czech Republic, where its central bank governor told that he would present a plan to the bank's board on Thursday to buy Bitcoin. He added that if approved, the bank could eventually hold as much as 5% of its 140 billion euro reserves in the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin was last trading around $104,000, up about 3.6%. Gold prices slipped about 0.3%. Key events this week: US GDP and jobless claims on Thursday, Apple, Deutsche Bank on Thursday, US personal income and spending PCE inflation employment cost index on Friday. That's it for today, folks. I will see you again tomorrow morning. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.